Are you curious about how to come up with different lettering styles? Or how to find inspiration for lettering styles? Or maybe you're wondering how to build a full alphabet in a particular style. Since publishing my very first hand lettering class 4 years ago, one of the topics students have been most curious about is lettering styles. And these are some of the most common questions I receive. I think it's about time I answer those questions. But rather than try to fit such a broad topic into one intensive class, I've decided to break it up into several short, bite-sized classes in this lettering style series. Hi, my name is Gia Graham, and I'm a hand lettering artist and illustrator born in Barbados, based in Atlanta. Although I have a formal education in graphic design, my hand lettering skills have actually been mostly self-taught through books, online classes, tutorials, and lots of practice. Over the years, I've been fortunate enough to create lettering for companies like Spotify, Penguin Random House, Lionsgate, American Greetings, the US Postal Service, and more. I've also had the pleasure of sharing my love for lettering and teaching all the tips and tricks I've learned to thousands of students. Throughout this series, we're going to explore several different lettering styles. I will show you how to pinpoint the characteristics of a particular style, how to use reference images, and how to reinterpret and remix the letter forms to create a new style. In this first class, Volume 1 of the series, we're going to create a lettering style inspired by vintage wood type. By the end of the class, you'll be able to create multiple letter forms in this style, giving you the foundation to create a lettering layout of your own. This is a beginner-friendly class. However, if you've never taken a lettering class before, it would be best to start with my hand lettering in Procreate class, which will give you a good start with the fundamentals, including all of the terminology that we'll be using in this class and throughout the series. Whether you're drawing in Procreate on the iPad like I am, or whether you're drawing on paper, grab the pencil of your choice and let's get started.